Traders, pound yen. Let's just go out to the 4H. Righto, so we've got this really interesting price action going on. Okay, bullish trend overall, you can see that, right? And I tend to go for these price swings. Let's just create an equal measured move here. A, B, C, D. Okay, so you can see this move here projected, was targeted, was reached. And if we do that again, we go A, B, C, what am I doing? Sorry, X, A, B, C, D. Okay, X. A, B, C, D, measured move. It brings us up in here. If we grab a Fibonacci and we pull a fib from low to high, all right, more accurately, there's my D point there at this projected 50 from the Fibonacci. A, B, C, D projected there. This here will act as a resistance level, so that could be a potential partial profit sort of target. Okay, so if you are looking to jump in here with a buy, a market buy from that 4-hour time frame, this is your, you go in here, your stop loss goes under the previous low, and there's a target. Okay, that's 1.9R. But I've actually got this other 100 up here, so I would go there, and we get 2.8R. So that's one idea off the 4-hour time frame. Now what I want to do is go down to the 15-minute time frame and give you another option. So, okay, this is if you're not in front of the chart, throw that in, set and forget, and you let it go. But if you are in front of the charts and you're watching it, particularly into the London Open and possibly the New York Open tonight, we'll just see how this thing trades into those two times. You want to wait for, and I've mentioned this in previous video, that's a trend. This is trending down, but that the retrace. But what we've actually got here now is this sideways price action. I'll just pick up the candle bodies. Now, we don't know if smart money is intending to hit stops further below. Into the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, you're going to find the markets tend to trade in the opposite direction to how they've been trading. They hit stops really aggressively. I mean, this happened. The dollar rallied. Everything else tanked. So anyway, and the currency pairs has given us these opportunities. Now, we don't know whether it's going to hold here and trade north or trade south at this point, right? So I'm making an assumption with my 4-hour chart entry point here. It's just speculation based on, it's a trend, obviously, something like that. Okay, I'm going to always be looking for the Fibonacci retrace and enter, and away you go. And I build my accounts with this strategy. If you want to be sure about this, let's just take some of that out. You can wait for this to set up if you're in front of the chart. And I mentioned it yesterday, but maybe a bit of a fake out, then they hit stops, and then it gives us an opportunity. And you want to watch for the volatility to hit both the high and below the above and below this range. But if it breaks north, then the breakout, retest and fail, and then that's an entry point right there, and we're in, right? So that's that. You could wait for that setup. Now, if the opposite happens, well, break and retest and fail, that would be an entry point. Okay, so you can sit in front of it. Two options, guys. Wait for it. Wait for the setup, and and you'll know when this is trending. It'll give you a series. Just look for higher highs and higher lows. It's as easy as that. I don't know, something like that. Okay, and then it starts to do this, and you'll see higher high, higher lows. Well, then there's an entry. There we go. All right, wait for that either side, or jump in on the 4-hour time frame at market and take the risk. Up to you. So that's my take on the pound yen, and look, I'd love to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment, and with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.